Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there was a 19-year-old boy named Richie. Known for his lively spirit and curious mind, Richie often explored the woods and fields near his home. One sunny afternoon, as he wandered through a narrow path, he suddenly tripped and fell into a small ditch hidden among the bushes. As Richie scrambled to get up, he felt a strange warmth spreading through his body. It was like a gentle, flowing energy washing over him, soothing and calming every nerve. At first, he was startled, but then he noticed something extraordinary. The warmth wasn't just physical, it seemed to flow from within, intertwining in a graceful, shimmering dance of light and energy. Curious, Richie leaned closer to the ditch's edge and looked down. To his astonishment, he saw a luminous, swirling glow, like a gentle river of healing energy, spiraling upward from the ground, wrapping around him. It was as if the universe was sending a special, flowing current of love and peace directly into his being. As the energy continued to flow, Richie felt something shift deep inside. The frantic, anxious thoughts that had bothered him, the hysteria and restless mind, began to heal. His breathing rhythmic, his heartbeat pulsed healthily, and a serene tranquility settled over him. The healing flow was like a gentle tide washing away his worries, restoring his inner calm. In that moment, Richie realized the energy was more than just a physical healing force. It was a bridge connecting him to a deeper sense of peace and clarity. The intertwined flow of healing energy had rewoven the fabric of his mind and soul, transforming his hysteria into calmness, his chaos into happiness. When Richie finally climbed out of the ditch, he felt renewed, calmer, clearer, and more centered than he had in a long time. The warm, flowing energy had healed not just his body, but his mind and soul as well. From that day on, Richie carried the memory of that healing flow, a reminder that sometimes the most profound healing comes from within, guided by the gentle, intertwining currents that flow secretly.